Want to delete search history on YouTube app? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the YouTube app on your device. Now, if you only want to delete a specific search history, then tap on the search icon. Here you should find the list of all the search history. Now go ahead and select the one that you want to delete. Tap and hold on that and then tap on the remove option. That specific search will be deleted from this list. But if you want to delete all of your search history, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now select the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, select manage all history. Tap on that. Now you will find this delete option. Select that. Here select delete all time. Now go ahead and tap on the delete option. As you can see, the deletion is completed. Now tap on got it. Once you do that, you can head back, and now if you tap on the search icon, search history will be deleted. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.